So we studied children who lost a parent because of domestic violence, intimate partner homicide. And we looked at all children in the Netherlands who had been bereaved by domestic homicide over a period of 10 years, between 2003 and 2012. And we found that 256 children had lost a parent, mostly their mother, and that many of these children had actually been exposed to domestic violence beforehand already, but sometimes that was not recognized, not known at that time. So these children were already burdened by living with domestic violence before the actual homicide happened. And then also we found that many children were in the home where the homicide happened at the time that the homicide happened. So many of them were actually exposed to the killing. And since we found that many of the weapons were knives and guns, you can imagine that these children have been exposed to horrible scenes of their parent. And it's an important topic to put on the table. We know that the numbers are small, but the impact is enormous. And we need to make sure that we support these children as well as we can from the very first moments after the homicide. These children lose their parent. Often they lose their other parent to prison or suicide. They lose their home. They lose their school and their environment, friends. So really their life is turned upside down due to the homicide. And as I said, the numbers are small, but the impact is very big on the children themselves, on their families. Often their grandparents turn out to become caregivers, on the wider community. It has a massive impact, and the stakes are high to make sure that these children are as well supported as possible.